I've played violin for over 7 years, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Happy Birthday in a very simple and easy to follow manner. We'll be playing in the D major scale by starting off with an open A. The rhythm in this song is a little different than what you might have seen before. We start off by playing an eighth note with the dot next to it. That means that you play the eighth note plus 1/2 of it, which is a 16th note. So it is actually 3 16th notes followed by 1 16th note, which gives us that swing feeling, like this. So we'll be playing that rhythm one time on the A string to start off the song. This will be followed by a first finger making a B. Together. Now with an up bow on an open A. Next, we're going to be playing a D with the third finger. While placing the third finger, make sure to be placing all your fingers with the second finger being in the high 2 position. And we're going to end the phrase by playing a C sharp with the second finger. So let's play that first line together. 1, 2, ready, go. The C sharp will last 2 beats. The second phrase is very similar to the first phrase, but we're going to be playing an E instead of a D this time. It'll start off the same. That's the same thing as the last time, but this time we're going to an open E, and then we're going to play a D. Note that the previous time it was D and then C sharp. This time we're playing an E and a D. The third phrase starts off with the same rhythm as well, but then we go to an A on the E string. Let's practice that together a few times at a very slow tempo. 1, 2, ready, go. Ready, go. 1, 2, ready, go. Ready, go. While getting to the E string, make sure to move your arm down so that you don't hit the A string again. After the A, we play an F sharp using the first finger, then pivot over to the A string, place all 3 fingers down, then play the second finger, then the first finger. It should look like this. Three, 1, pivot, 3, high 2, first finger. We're ending on a down bow right now, so now we gotta start from an up bow. The next note is a G natural, which will be on the E string. It's the same rhythm as the A. Then a first finger, then pivot over to the A string, play a D, pivot back to the E string, play an open E, and end the song with a D. The D is the third finger on the A string. If you felt that the pacing was a little bit too fast for you, you can go back to a previous section and re-watch it. I'm going to set the metronome at 50 beats per minute so that we can play together at a very slow tempo. 1, 2, ready, go. Hey, great job. Now I'm gonna increase the tempo to make it a little more challenging. Okay, now 65 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Good work there. But if you really want to sound good, you have to not make these two mistakes that I'm going to tell you. The first mistake is not using a full long bow. What most beginners do is that they limit their bow range a lot. They only play from here to here, and they don't use the whole bow. If you want that nice beautiful sound and tone, you need to use as much bow as you can. But obviously there are sections like D. For the dotted eighth note, you don't want to be using the whole bow like that. That would be too much. But when you're playing like quarter notes or half notes, these like more long tones, in order to get that full and rich sound. The second mistake that most beginners do is that they move their whole arm when moving the bow. The problem with this is that they're not having a proper contact point. A contact point is where the hair hits the string. When you move your whole arm like this, notice what happens. There isn't one proper contact point. That's why you want to be moving your elbow rather than your entire arm. The bow should be moving perpendicular to the string, and that can only be achieved when you extend like this. Your bow arm should be pushing and pulling in like this. It's like you're flexing and extending your bicep. And you also want to have a loose wrist, which allows you to get that full long bow like this. Imagine that you're kind of like a river just flowing along. That's the motion you want to have with your bow arm. I really hope that this video helped. If you want personalized help and guidance on how to play the violin, check out the top link in the description so that we can book a call together and discuss your goals and see how I can help you. Thank you and see you on the next one.